In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new project in Asana. 5 minutes. First, head to the Asana website in your browser. If you're new to Asana, you'll want to create an account. It's quick, and you can start with the free plan to get the hang of the basics. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in instead. On the sign in page, enter your email address, click continue, then enter your password and select login. If you use single sign on with your organization, follow the prompt you normally use. A quick tip here: choose a strong, unique password and consider enabling any available security features to protect your workspace. Once you land on your Asana homepage, you'll see your recent work and navigation along the left side. To begin a new project, click New Project. This is where you choose how you want to get started. You can use a template if you want a head start with pre-built sections and fields, which is great for recurring workflows like marketing campaigns or product launches. If you want full control over the structure, select Create a Blank Project. Both paths work. Templates just save time. Next, name your project. Use a clear descriptive title your team will immediately recognize. If you manage multiple efforts, consider a naming convention that includes a team, purpose, or date to keep everything tidy. After naming it, click Continue. Now choose how you want to view your project. Asana gives you options such as list and board. List view is perfect if you like a structured checklist with columns for details. Board view gives you a Kanban style layout with columns representing stages. Pick the one that fits how your team thinks and works. You can usually switch views later if you want to try something different. Then click Create Project. You'll enter your brand new workspace. Start by adding a task. Think of tasks as the building blocks of your project. Each task represents a piece of work. Give the task a clear title and, if you like, a short description to add context. After creating it, click into the task to open the details panel. This is where you enrich the task so it's actionable. Assign the task to the right teammate by selecting an assignee from your team members. Every task should have one clear owner to avoid ambiguity. Set a due date so timelines are visible and expectations are clear. If the task has multiple steps, add subtasks to break it down into smaller, manageable pieces. Subtasks help you keep progress moving without turning the main task into a catch-all. As you add a few tasks and assignments, remember that you can always review your personal view under My Tasks. This is where each person sees everything assigned to them in one place across projects, which keeps priorities front and center. Take a moment to explore the interface and features so you understand what's available. The more familiar you are with the layout and options, the easier it becomes to organize your work efficiently. Back in your project, look to the top right and click Customize. This is your control center for tailoring the project to your workflow without changing the underlying steps. Here you can add elements that boost clarity and automation. For example, forms are perfect if you want people to submit requests or ideas in a consistent format, feeding directly into your project. Rules let you automate routine actions like automatically assigning tasks, setting due dates when a task moves stages, or adding tags for reporting. Custom fields help you track important attributes such as priority, status, effort, or department, ensuring every task carries the metadata your team needs to plan and report. Add only what supports your process. Too many fields can overwhelm your team, while the right few make everything crystal clear. You can revisit the Customize panel anytime as your workflow evolves, so start simple and enhance as you learn what your team uses most. That's it. You've logged in, created a project from a template or from scratch, named it, chosen the best view, added tasks, assigned ownership, set due dates, broken work into subtasks, checked your personal tasks, and tailored the project with customization options like forms, rules, and custom fields. With that foundation in place, you're set to run your next project in Asana with confidence.